In today's lab, we're going to convert our Linux PC into a DVD player or a VCR player, if you even know what either of those are. We'll begin by installing a program called mini-dlna, and of course you need to use sudo and then apt-get install, and you got to put in your password for that. At that point it extracts a few things and asks, do you want to continue? Obviously the answer is yes, and you get that all done. Once you finish that, you're going to go on to edit the mini-dlna configuration file, mini-dlna.conf, and that's in your etc folder. I use a program called Nano, and of course I begin with sudo because otherwise I wouldn't have read-write permissions. I'd have read permissions but not write permissions. When I go in there, I'm looking specifically for a media directory line, and you'll notice I've got 4 videos that I've put in my home videos folder. Now it says home videos for me, but let's take a look at what I'm really going to have to type. First of all, I'm going to put a little pound sign in front of the media_dir, and that will comment that out, and I'll put in a new line, media_dir equals, and although mine says home videos over there in the background, I can see it really is /home/frank/videos, because my username is Frank. Now when we take a look at those videos, you'll notice that they're different colors on the color coded. I just did an ls-l to see what was in there, and I can see the read-write permissions are such that the file called iguazufalls.mp4 is not readable. The others all have read-write permissions on them, and they're in green, but the Iguazu Falls is different colored, kind of grayed out, because there is no read permission on it. In order to load that data into the library, I need to do a mini-dlnad, that's a daemon, -r, and then service mini-dlna force reload. That will reload the whole database. So from there, let's take a look at how we watch videos. Okay, the Bubble Up PNP program, when I look at that, well, now playing, there's nothing, but all I see is a local renderer. Can you see that? Local renderer. Now, what we're going to do, come back over to here, we're going to turn on the USB Linux. We get, okay, so the Linux server is now available. Go back into Bubble PNP. Go to the renderers, and we see that Yunker USB mini-dlna is there. I click on that and I see media. Click on that. There's video. I'll click on all video, and there's 3 of them. Remember, Iguazu Falls was not readable, so that's why it's not there. And now I'm going to be treating my USB Linux as if it's a DVD player. and I'm going to play some home movies.